How the hell can you tell a cat is gay? How do you know the cat is gay?
It only likes men.
How do you know that?
Because every time a man comes in our house, he winds his throat around the leg, and whenever he sits down, it sits there.
What if a girl came in?
He's only going to just look at him. Even just looks at me like he just makes the time I do that video and goes, oh,
Well, that's the reason why he's afraid of you. You turned him off girls. They're all tubby. They're all tubby though.
And for Christmas, I got this cat one and I made him like a little fairy outfit. I was just so happy.
Oh dear.
But he's actually gay. He's actually gay. He's a gay cat.
I feel sorry for your cat. He's gonna get picked on.
Sorry?
Your cat's gonna get picked on.
Yeah, it probably will get bullied by all the neighbourhood cats for being gay. I thought I was quite amazing. I don't know any gay animals, but I have a gay cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, my cat's gay. Why are you gay? Why are you female? Oh, come on, let's do that. Come on. Yeah, I told you. Yeah. See, I told you, cat can be gay. Oh, no. I had a cat that's normal. And yours Are you filming, by the way?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've been discussing this whole conversation about gay cats.
oh my god.
Yeah, this woman has a gay cat, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, indeed. Still. Oh my god.
Great hair at its best.
Still. Okay, I'm really
What is my
scared
hair?
now. I'm really scared.
Need the concentration in the ride.
Oh, oh. Turn the music off. Where's this? Hello, hello, it's really loud, so hold on, wait one minute.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Are you getting your bum over here? Come on, Ben. Heather, Sophie, James, Chris, Amy Dunn, Ashley, Tim, please.
That's why you sound like the most important, didn't you?
What?
That's why you sound the most important, didn't you?
What? Oh, you said something. Sorry? I'm going to Heather's. My dad's taking me home.
How are you getting back?
Yeah, how can you get back? Are you coming? I can give you a lift at the back in there. Can you not drive? He could, but he crashed his car.
How did you crash your car?
A couple of months ago, he was driving back from Winslow for his own Saturday. I know, he's on loudspeaker. Ben, if I give you a lift into Buckingham, can you get back from there? I don't know. Will you stop filming? Because it's weird filming phone conversation.
It's amusing, okay?
It's not amusing. Everyone's being really loud. We can't hear you.
Squirrel.
We can't hear.
So it's your last mistake.
Okay.
And I learned if you go out, you have to hold the pedal on and slam on the brake. And then I went the other day, it was the Irish Magic and I was watching this woman who just had a car accident and I was like, oh dear.
Can you?
We actually crashed.
Okay, well I can give you a lift back then. Can you get here then, yeah? Bring food. Okay. Do you know where we live? Yeah, do you know where in Dean?
Folly Road. MK19. Yeah, 6HZ. Yeah. Huh?
And the light wasn't coming on to begin with, so yeah.
What? Huh?
Like, you know when you get that, and then
You know?
So it's amazing. So
You need it on.
what house? It's
56.
56. It's the one like near the end.
It's the second last one.
We'll stick to that. Just go outside and wait for him.
It won't go on. You have to plug it in, otherwise it won't go on. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha.
Right, Sophie, you keeping still? Oh my god, I'm really scared. Well, don't be.
Okay. We'll look. See what the transformation is after that.